How to convert Figma to WordPress. 3 simple methods. The combination of Figma and WordPress is the best when it comes to designing and developing a website. The commonality between the two is that both are user-friendly and easy-to-use software. Figma has been a game changer in the world of web designing, making the process smoother and quicker to transfer the design to WordPress. It is true that both are easy to use, but the transferring process from Figma to WordPress can be a task for someone with no prior experience in web development. In this blog, you will learn methods of transferring Figma to WordPress. Some may require expertise in HTML, CSS, and PHP, while some may be easier than the rest. Keep reading to know it all. How to convert Figma design to WordPress. There are several ways of Figma to WordPress conversion. Let's have a look. The HTML process. The HTML route for converting Figma to WordPress requires a prior experience and understanding of HTML. This is how it goes. First, you have to convert your design to HTML and then convert the HTML code to WordPress. This can be done manually or by tools, but to avoid tiny mistakes, most experts suggest doing this process manually. For this, you can use a CSS framework like Bootstrap. It is generally the most popular option. Now, let's see how to do this. Log into Figma and visit bootstrap.com. You can start working on the HTML design. From there, you can convert the HTML designs to a WordPress theme. Here you will have to create a theme from scratch, like building a header, footer, style, etc. For this, there are tons of tutorials available that you can follow. Then, you can move on to designing other essential pages like the homepage. In this route, if you know coding or you have a web developer on your team, this process can be in full control. Otherwise, you can choose to follow the next steps. Convert Figma design directly to WordPress. Using pre-made theme, this method is comparatively easier than the HTML one. Here you have to select a pre-made theme and add HTML to customize it. With the help of these themes available, the designing and converting process becomes much simpler. All these themes already have the basics like header, footer, and all the functions you need to build the website. All you have to do is customize the website using the themes. Next, open the HTML file and fill in the codes. Themes like Bootstrap help you to modify headers, layouts, footers, and all the functionalities needed. Learn more. Why your business needs white label WordPress outsourcing. Using page builders like Elementor. Using page builders like Elementor is easiest of all, as it is all about drag and drop, making it an ideal method for even beginners. You can also use this method when you want to get the job done quickly. Here you can use the blocks to build your own customized theme and separately design all the pages. Once the site structure is made, you can pour the content on all the pages. This is a smooth process to blend themes and page builders when transferring HTML code to WordPress websites. Can't convert Figma yourself? Take help from experts. It is best to hire WordPress experts for Figma to WordPress conversion. Not only it makes the process easier, but it also gives the best, high-quality results. Since converting Figma to WordPress can be a daunting process, it's best to let WordPress experts handle it to avoid any mistakes. It makes the process easier and faster compared to when you are struggling with doing it yourself. Along with that, WordPress experts can pour your dream Figma design into a WordPress website, making it the best fit for your business. Contact us now and let's talk about the best Figma to WordPress conversion service for your business. Figma to WordPress FAQs. 1. How does Figma work? The user interface will look familiar even though it is browser-based. Many of these programs function in the same way, but they vary in terms of particular features, such as what comes pre-installed and what requires plugins. Additionally, the ways in which they approach tasks like high-fidelity mockups and prototyping vary. 2. How does a Figma artboard work? Each artboard in Figma is represented by a layer, which underpins everything in the program. Instead of focusing on one file at a time, zoom out from the artboard to obtain a bird's-eye view of the complete project. On the right, there is an information panel, and on the left, a panel for tools and layers. 3. Why should you prefer a WordPress developer? A WordPress developer has the knowledge you need to create a website that is completely customized for your company. This expert can genuinely create brand new themes and plugins for your WordPress website. You won't have a generic appearance as a result, and your website will have all the features it requires to succeed.